Kingdom fungi. Introduction. Kingdom fungi contains non-green, achlorophyllous, that is chlorophyll absent, heterotrophic, spore-producing, thallus-like eukaryotic organisms. Body of fungi is undifferentiated, range in structure from unicellular like yeast to highly complex structure like edible mushrooms, non-edible toadstools. Cell wall is present made up of chitin, that is fungal cellulose polymer of NAG. Kingdom fungi. Introduction. Fungi are cosmopolitan, that is found everywhere in soil, air, water, on the plants and animals. Mostly fungi are terrestrial. Fungi mostly grow in warm and humid, that is moistured region. They grow well in humus-rich soil. They can also grow in acidic regions, so called as acidophiles. Fungi show great diversity with reference to structure and habitat. General features and structure of fungi. Fungi growing on tree bark are called as corticolous. Fungi growing on cow dung are called as coprophilous. Fungi growing on wood are called as epigylic. Fungi growing on burnt wood are called as xylophilous. Fungi growing on keratinous materials like hairs, horns are called as keratinophilous. General features and structure of fungi. Fungi represent a eukaryotic cell having nucleus and nuclear envelope. Fungi are mostly saprophytic, that is saprobic, perform assimilative nutrition and extracellular digestion. They can also be parasites, that is disease causing, and symbiotic in the form of mycorrhiza and lichen. General features and structure of fungi. In lichen, fungi show symbiotic association with algae. In mycorrhiza, fungi show symbiotic association with roots of gymnosperms and angiosperms. In symbiotic association, fungi provide mineral and water to the partner. Fungi can perform vegetative reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. They have decomposer type lifestyle, help in nutrient or biogeochemical cycle. Structure of fungi. The body of fungi is haploid and thallus-like, that is not differentiated into true root, stem and leaf. They show multicellular body organization having false tissue level organization called as parenchyma. Exceptions: yeast and syncytium are unicellular fungi. The body or thallus of fungi is called as mycelium. Structure of fungi. Fungal body, that is mycelium, represents crisscrossed, tangled, elongated, thread-like tubular structure called as hyphae, singular hypha. Thus, mycelium is crisscrossed network of hyphae. The network of hyphae, that is mycelium, forms loose false tissue called parenchyma. Structure of fungi. In mycelium, three main kinds of hyphae can be differentiated. Number one, rhizoids represent vertically downward growing hyphae. These are unicellular, penetrate inside the substrate, help in fixation of thallus, absorption of water, mineral and nutrition from the substrate. Rhizoids are famously called as false roots or root-like structures. Structure of fungi. Number 2, asexual hyphae. These are vertically upward growing hyphae involved in production of spores. For example, sporangiophore, conidiophore. Number 3, stoloniferous hyphae. These are horizontally growing hyphae of mycelium, that is fungal body, help in spreading the thallus to new region or niche. Structure of fungi. Hypha, plural hyphae. It is tubular, elongated, thread-like, filamentous structure of fungus thallus, that is fungus mycelium, which is formed due to germination of spore. Hypha can be branched also. Structure of fungi. Types of hypha. Number 1, aseptate hypha. Aseptate hypha represents unicellular multinucleated hypha. Throughout length of hypha in common cytoplasm, many nuclei are present. Aseptate hypha is formed due to free nuclear division during spore germination, where karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, means karyokinesis occurs but cytokinesis is absent. Aseptate hypha is also called as cenocytic hypha. Structure of fungi. Types of hypha. In aseptate hypha, throughout length, septum, that is internal cell wall, is absent. Aseptate hypha is found in members of Phycomycetes, that is Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Number 2, septate hypha. Septate hypha represents multicellular uninucleate hypha. Internally, hypha has septum, that is cell wall. It is formed due to karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis during spore germination. Structure of fungi. Types of hypha. Septate hypha is found in members of Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. No single fungus thallus possesses both aseptate and septate hypha. Structure of fungi. Types of septate hypha. Number 1, primary hypha. It is normal multicellular uninucleate hypha. Each cell of hypha has single haploid nucleus. It is also known as monokaryotic hypha and haploid hypha. Number 2, secondary hypha. It represents an intermediate hypha of two nuclei. It is multicellular binucleate hypha formed during somatogamy, that is dikaryoticization process. Structure of fungi. Types of septate hypha. Secondary hypha. It is formed when two monokaryotic hyphae of opposite strains fuse together, followed by dissolution of common wall. Here, plasmogamy, that is fusion of cytoplasm, takes place, but karyogamy, that is fusion of nuclei, is absent. This results in formation of an intermediate dikaryophase of hypha, which is multicellular, but each cell is having two unfused haploid nuclei. Thus, secondary hypha is also called as dikaryotic hypha and N plus N hypha. Structure of fungi. Types of septate hypha. Primary hypha, that is monokaryotic hypha, is found in members of Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Secondary hypha, that is dikaryotic hypha, is found in members of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, absent in members of Deuteromycetes. In Ascomycetes, primary hypha is long living and secondary hypha is short living during life cycle. In Basidiomycetes, primary hypha is short living and secondary hypha is long living during life cycle. Structure of fungi. Septum, plural septa. Septum represents internal cell wall of hypha. Formation of septum occurs from periphery, that is outer side, towards center, that is inner side, that is in centripetal manner. The septum, however, is not complete always, but has a pore through which continuity of cytoplasm and transfer of materials occur between adjoining cells of hypha. Structure of fungi. Types of septum. Number one, complete septum. When formation of septum, that is cell wall, is complete inside the hypha without leaving any pore, then it is called as complete septum, mostly found in members of Deuteromycetes. Number two, simple central pore septum. It represents incomplete septum having a pore present in center. Cell wall formation is not complete. The pore has presence of Voronin body, a round crystalline structure that controls material exchange. Structure of fungi. Types of septum. Simple central pore septum is characteristic feature of members of Ascomycetes and also found in members of Deuteromycetes. Number three, dolipore septum. In such type of septum, the pore possesses a barrel-shaped inflation. Here, septum formation is incomplete and in the center, septum or cell wall shows bulging or inflation which results in formation of dolipore septum. In dolipore septum, pore is guarded by cap-like structure called as parenthosome, which is made up of endoplasmic reticulum. Dolipore septum is found in higher fungi, that is members of Basidiomycetes. Structure of fungus cell. The fungus cell is covered by hard, rigid cell wall which is made up of chitin, that is fungus cellulose, which is a type of carbohydrate. Chitin is polymer of N-acetylglucosamine, that is NAG. Exceptionally, cell wall in members of Oomycetes is made up of cellulose. Structure of fungus cell. In fungus cell, the cell membrane shows ingrowth or enfoldings called as lomosome, which increases surface area for material transportation. In cytoplasm, 80S ribosomes, mitochondria and unicisternal Golgi body are present. Fungus cell lacks plastids, that is chloroplast, etc. Reserve food material is stored in the form of oil and glycogen. Phases in life cycle. There are two distinct phases of life cycle found in most of the fungi. Number one, vegetative, that is assimilative phase. It represents beginning phase of life cycle formed due to spore germination. It represents inconspicuous microscopic hidden phase of life during which fungus thallus is present inside the substratum and is hardly visible to the naked eyes. Phases in life cycle. Number two, reproductive phase. The fungus enters in a reproductive phase after attaining certain maturity in the vegetative phase. During a reproductive phase, fungus produces new progenies either through asexual reproduction or through sexual reproduction. Karyochoresis. It is a type of mitosis occurs in vegetative or somatic cells of fungi. Karyochoresis is a kind of endomitosis, that is closed mitosis, in which nuclear membrane is remain intact throughout karyokinesis and intranuclear spindle fibers formation takes place. Holocarpic fungi. These are the fungi in which complete fungal body or cell gets transformed into a reproductive structure, acts as a reproductive unit. Entire body of fungus participates in reproduction. Holocarpic fungi are unicellular fungi. For example, yeast. Yeast is unicellular, non-mycelial fungi in which the same cell performs both assimilative and reproductive functions. Eucarpic fungi. These are the fungi in which a part of thallus or mycelium is used up in the development of a reproductive structure. Here, only a part of fungus body acts as a reproductive unit and participates in reproduction. Eucarpic fungi are multicellular fungi, that is mycelial fungi. Vegetative reproduction in fungi. Number one, fragmentation. Mostly found in members of Basidiomycetes, also occurs in members of Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Fragmentation represents accidental breaking of hypha into many fragments, like due to wind flow, water current, injury, decay of some part of hypha, pressed under feet of animals, etc. Each fragment grows into complete new thallus by mitotic division. Vegetative reproduction in fungi. Number two, budding. Performed by unicellular fungi, for example, yeast. Bud represents an outgrowth or protuberance formed over parent body at specific region. A bud has a nucleus and stored food material. Enough grown or mature bud laterally gets detached from parent body and grows into a new progeny. Formation of bud occurs during favorable condition. Vegetative reproduction in fungi. Bud formation in yeast. During favorable condition, in the availability of nutrition over the parent yeast body at specific place, an outgrowth or protuberance is developed. This outgrowth is rich in stored food materials. Now, the nucleus of parent yeast migrates near the junction of parent yeast and outgrowth, where after karyokinesis, two nuclei are formed. One nucleus remain present inside parent yeast and other get transferred inside the outgrowth, results in bud formation. vegetative reproduction in fungi, bud formation in yeast. Enough grown mature bud gets split or detached from the body of parent yeast and develops into new yeast progeny. Generally, at a time, a single bud is formed over parent yeast, but sometimes first formed bud produces another bud, and this bud produces one more bud, and so on. Results in formation of chain of buds arranged ectopically, that is older at bottom and younger at top over parent yeast. Process of formation of chain of buds called as torulation. Vegetative reproduction in fungi. During budding in yeast, torulation process results in formation of torula stage, that is a stage where parent yeast body has presence of chain of buds. Binary fission. Binary fission is performed by unicellular non-mycelial fungi, during which there is simple splitting of vegetative cell into two daughter cells takes place by simple constriction. Asexual reproduction in fungi. It occurs through spores. Spore is specialized single-celled uninucleate haploid structure produced by mitosis, which upon separation from parent thallus get dispersed and sprouts or germinates to produce new progeny mycelium after falling on suitable substratum. Asexual spores are also called as mitospores. Spores act as dispersal unit which get dispersed to new places by external agents like wind and water, etc. Asexual reproduction in fungi. Spores also act as perinating or resting structures during unfavorable conditions. In fungi, there are 5 different types of spores. Number 1, zoospores. Number 2, sporangiospores. Number 3, conidia. Number 4, chlamydospore. Number 5, oidea. Asexual reproduction in fungi. Spores. Planospores. These are flagellated motile spores. For example, zoospores. Aplanospores. These are non-flagellated, non-motile spores. For example, sporangiospores, conidia, chlamydospores, oidea. Endogenous spores formed inside a structure called as sporangium and are not exposed to air. For example, zoospores, sporangiospores. Exogenous spores, these are exposed spores not produced inside any structure, present in direct contact to air. For example, conidia, chlamydospore, oidea. Asexual reproduction in fungi. Spores. Naked spores. These spores lack cell wall. For example, zoospores. Thin-walled spores. Spores covered by thin covering or cell wall. For example, sporangiospores, conidia, oidea. Thick-walled spores. Spores having additional thick covering. For example, chlamydospores. Formed during favorable conditions. For example, zoospores, sporangiospores, conidia. Formed during unfavorable conditions. For example, chlamydospores. Formed in special conditions. For example, oidea. High sugar, salts, low pH. Zoospore. It is naked spore without cell wall. Zoospore is motile flagellated planospore. It is endogenous spore formed during favorable conditions. Zoospore is produced inside a structure known as zoosporangium. Zoospores are produced by aquatic fungi, that is members of Oomycetes. Zoospores may be uniflagellated, that is having single flagellum, for example Synchytrium, or may be biflagellated, that is with two flagella, for example Saprolegnia, Pythium, etc. Process of zoospore formation. During zoospore formation, parent cell of fungi acts as zoosporangium. A zoosporangium is covered by two layers. Now, the protoplasm of fungus cell produces 4 to 8 daughter nuclei by free nuclear mitosis, followed by cytokinesis, that is membrane biogenesis or membrane formation around each nucleus, results in formation of 4 to 8 daughter protoplast. Each daughter protoplast has a nucleus and cytoplasm. Process of zoospore formation. Later on, each daughter protoplast develops flagella and converted into zoospores. On maturity, bursting of zoosporangium releases all the zoospores. Zoospores germinate on getting suitable substratum into new mycelium, that is progeny thallus. Types of biflagellated zoospores. There are structurally two different types of zoospores with reference to Saprolegnia. Number one, pear-shaped or pyriform zoospores having two flagella placed at anterior end. Both flagella are structurally similar, that is homocont type. They are also called as primary zoospores. Number two, kidney or bean-shaped zoospores bearing two laterally inserted flagella. One flagellum is smooth whiplash type and other flagellum is hairy tinsel type, thus showing heterocont flagellation. They are also called as secondary zoospores. The phenomena of having two different types of zoospores is called as diplanetism. Sporangiospore. It is thin-walled, non-motile, non-flagellated aplanospore produced during favorable condition. Sporangiospores are endogenous spores produced inside sporangium, that is aplanosporangium. Sporangiospores are produced mainly by members of Zygomycetes like Mucor, Rhizopus, etc. Process of sporangiospores formation. Firstly, a swollen balloon-like structure is formed called as sporangium over the tip of vertical hypha called as sporangiophore. Sporangiophore represents a sexual hypha. Covering or wall of sporangium is hygroscopic, that is having ability to absorb and retain atmospheric moisture or water, which helps in bursting of sporangium on maturity. A single sporangium contains many sporangiospores. Process of sporangiospores formation. A single nucleus from sporangiophore migrates inside sporangium, which after free nuclear mitosis produces many daughter nuclei. Each daughter nucleus after cytokinesis, that is membrane formation, forms sporangiosspore. Once sporangiosspores are formed inside sporangium, a dome-shaped structure develops inside sporangium called as columella. Columella maintains all the sporangiospores towards periphery of sporangium for proper dispersal. Process of sporangiospores formation. On maturity, sporangium shrinks due to dehydration, results in bursting of sporangium. All the spores released out, which later on grow into new mycelium, that is progeny thallus. In fungus thallus or mycelium, rhizoids and stoloniferous hypha represent vegetative or somatic hyphae, and sporangiophore represents asexual hypha. Conidia. Conidia are thin-walled, non-motile, non-flagellated aplanospores formed during favorable conditions. Conidia are exogenous spores produced exogenously at the tip of vertical hypha called as conidiophore. Conidia are produced in the form of chain at the tip of conidiophore. Conidia are exposed to air, not covered by any structure. Conidia are produced by members of Ascomycetes like Aspergillus, Penicillium, etc. and Deuteromycetes. Process of conidia formation. Conidia are produced at the tip of erect hypha, that is conidiophore, a kind of asexual hypha. Firstly, a swollen structure called sterigmata is formed at the tip of conidiophore, and then many chains of conidia are produced upon sterigmata. In chain of conidia, older conidia are present at top and younger conidia are present at bottom, showing basipetal arrangement. Chains of conidia are exposed to air and show wind dispersal on maturity. Types of conidiophore. Conidiophore is divided into two types. Number one, unbranched conidiophore, also called as monoverticillate conidiophore. Here, chain of conidia are produced directly at the tip of conidiophore. Number two, branched conidiophore, also called as biverticillate conidiophore. The first branches present at the tip of conidiophore are called as primary branches or rami. Primary branches bear next branches called as secondary branches or medullae. Over medullae, bottle-shaped structures formed called as sterigmata or phyalids. Types of conidiophore. In branched conidiophore, the final or ultimate branches are secondary branch, that is medullae, and chains of conidia are produced at the tips of sterigmata, that is phyalids. Chlamydospores. Chlamydospores represent thick-walled, non-motile, non-flagellated aplanospores formed during unfavorable conditions. Chlamydospores are dormant, inactive, resistant resting spores that represent structures of perennation also. Chlamydospores. Chlamydospores may remain viable for several years. They germinate to give rise to new individuals on return to favorable conditions. Chlamydospores are produced by members of zygomycetes like Rhizopus. Process of chlamydospores formation. During unfavorable condition, there is aggregation of protoplasm at several places throughout length of hypha, followed by formation of thick resistant wall or covering around each protoplasm aggregate, results in development of chlamydospores. Chlamydospores may be terminal, that is produced at the ends of hypha, or may be intercalary, that is formed in the middle part of hypha. Initially, chlamydospores are multinucleated, but laterly they become uninucleated. Oidea. These are thin-walled, non-motile, non-flagellated aplanospores formed in special conditions like excess of sugar, salts concentration, and low pH. Oidea are produced by members of zygomycetes. During oidea formation, cells are continuously cut off from the tip of erect hypha, get separated and fall down. Oidea can directly grow into new individuals or may show budding condition, that is produce chain of buds called as torula stage. Homothallic fungi. Homothallic fungi are self-fertile fungi. Sexual reproduction occurs in same thallus, that is within thallus. Fungi bear male and female reproductive structures in same thallus. They do not require another fungus thallus to complete sexual reproduction. Male and female gametes are formed in same thallus. For example, Chaetopodium albugocandida. Note: homothallic fungi can be considered similar to like monoecious or bisexual or self-pollinating plants. Heterothallic fungi. These fungi are self-sterile fungi. Sexual reproduction does not occur in same thallus. They need another compatible thallus to complete sexual reproduction. Fusing male and female sex cells belong to two different fungus thallus. Fungi show cross-fertilization. For example, Mucor, most of the fungi. Note: heterothallic fungi can be considered similar to dioecious or unisexual or cross-pollinating plants. Sexual reproduction in fungi. Sexual reproduction or sexual cycle in fungi completes in 3 steps. Number 1, plasmogamy. During plasmogamy, there is fusion or union or mixing of protoplasm or cytoplasm of two hypha of compatible mating type or two different strains of gametes. Plasmogamy results in formation of N plus N cell or N plus N zygote as both haploid nuclei of compatible hyphae or gametes remain unfused. N plus N zygote represents an intervening or intermediate structure. Sexual reproduction in fungi. Plasmogamy. Intermediate N plus N zygote represents dikaryon structure and the phase is called dikaryophase or dikaryotic stage, that is, two unfused haploid nuclei per cell. In some fungi, mostly members of oomycetes, fusion of two haploid cells and their protoplasm immediately follow fusion of their haploid nuclei also, producing diploid zygote or cell. Thus, such fungi do not show dikaryophase. Sexual reproduction in fungi. Number 2, karyogamy. In most of the fungi, plasmogamy produces intermediate N plus N dikaryotic cells. In such fungi, fusion of nuclei of different compatible hyphae or gametes occur later on, which produces diploid zygotes or cells. Fusion of haploid nuclei is called as karyogamy. For example, fungi like Aspergillus, Agaricus, etc. Sexual reproduction in fungi. Note, members of Phycomycetes, that is oomycetes and zygomycetes, show immediate karyogamy after plasmogamy. Thus, M plus N stage or dikaryophase is absent in them. Members of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes show delayed karyogamy after plasmogamy. Thus, they show N plus N stage or dikaryophase. Sexual reproduction is absent in members of Deuteromycetes, so there is no need to talk about steps of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction in fungi. Number 3, meiosis. It is third step of sexual reproduction. Reduction division or meiosis in diploid zygote or cell produces haploid spores. These spores are called as meiospores or sexual spores. For example, ascospores, basidiospores, germospores, etc. Meiospores laterally germinate to give rise to new individuals of fungi. Types of sexual reproduction or methods of plasmogamy. Based on methods of plasmogamy, sexual reproduction in fungi can be divided into 5 types, or we can say that there are 5 different methods of plasmogamy found in fungi. Number 1, planogametic copulation or gametic fusion. Number 2, gametangial contact. Number 3, gametangial conjugation or gametangial copulation. Number 4, spermatization. Number 5, somatogamy. Planogametic copulation or gametic fusion. It is simplest form of sexual reproduction which involves fusion of two gametes of opposite sex or strains. Both fusing gametes will be motile or at least one should be motile. It is of 3 types. Number 1, isogamy. It is fusion of structurally or morphologically similar and physiologically or functionally dissimilar gametes. Fusing gametes can be genetically similar or dissimilar. Planogametic copulation or gametic fusion. Number 2, anisogamy. Fusing gametes are morphologically dissimilar as well as functionally dissimilar too. The large gamete is called as negative or recipient or female gamete, and the small gamete is called as positive or donor or male gamete. Gametes may be genetically similar if produced by same thallus or may be genetically dissimilar if produced by different thallus. Planogametic copulation or gametic fusion. Number 3, oogamy. Here, one gamete is large, oval or spherical shaped, always non-motile, non-flagellated, remain present within female reproductive organ, that is oogonium, called as female gamete or egg cell or ovum cell or oosphere. Second gamete, that is male gamete, is small, always motile and flagellated, produced by male reproductive organ, that is antheridium, and released outside for fusion. Male gametes are also called as antherozoites or sperm cells. Planogametic copulation takes place in the members of Oomycetes, aquatic fungi. Isogamy, for example, Syncytrium. Anisogamy, for example, Ellomyces. Oogamy, for example, Blepharis. Gametangial contact. Gametangium represents gametes producing or gametes containing structure. In gametangial contact, there is union or fusion or contact of two different gametangia take place. Gametangial contact. Male gametangium is called as antheridium, which is single-celled, racket-shaped, non-jacketed structure. Female gametangium is called as oogonium, which is single-celled, oval-shaped, non-jacketed structure. Both antheridium and oogonium lack jacket layer, that is covering of sterile cells. Antheridium produces single male gamete and oogonium contains a egg cell or oosphere. Male gamete and egg cell have haploid nucleus. Gametangial contact. During gametangial contact, both male and female gametangia get fused or attached or united physically, which is followed by dissolution of their common wall. Now next, the male gamete forms a fertilization tube which penetrates inside egg cell of female gametangium. Fertilization tube carries male gamete protoplasm and transfer it into egg cell through a pore formed at the tip of fertilization tube, thus completing process of plasmogamy. Gametangial contact. Plasmogamy, that is fusion of male and female gamete protoplasm, immediately followed by karyogamy, results in formation of zygote having diploid nucleus. During gametangial contact, thin-walled zygote is formed called as oospore. Oospore laterally performs meiosis to produce meiospores, which germinate to produce new individuals. In gametangial contact, identity of both male and female gametangium are retained. Gametangia do not lose their identity. Gametangial contact is mainly performed by members of Oomycetes like Pythium albugo. It is also occur in members of Ascomycetes like Pyromnema. Gametangial conjugation. In this process, there is direct fusion of entire content of two gametangia takes place due to dissolution of their common walls. This results in formation of a single cell in which protoplast of two gametangia fuse. Here, fusion of protoplast of positive and negative gametes take place. Gametangial conjugation. or copulation. During this process, two different compatible hyphae of two different fungus thallus, that is heterothallic, discovered by scientist Blacksley, participate. One hypha is called as positive hypha and other is called as negative hypha. Both positive and negative hypha produce lateral hyphae towards each other in the influence of trisporic acid. These lateral hyphae are called as zygophore, that is sexual hyphae, gametangial conjugation or copulation. As process proceeds, both positive lateral hypha and negative lateral hypha develops positive gametangium and negative gametangium at their tips respectively. Next, positive gametangium and negative gametangium get unite or fuse together. Positive gametangium contains positive gamete and negative gametangium contains negative gamete. Both positive and negative gametes were multinucleated initially, but at last only one nucleus survives in them. Gametangial conjugation or copulation. Conjugation or union of positive and negative gametangia is followed by dissolution of their common wall. Now, complete protoplast of positive gamete and negative gamete fuse together to form diploid zygote. Here, plasmogamy is immediately followed by karyogamy. After conjugation or union between positive and negative gametangia, the identity of individual gametangium is lost. Identity of gametangium is not retained in gametangial conjugation. Gametangial conjugation or copulation. The diploid zygote formed at the tip of zygophore laterally fall down on ground and synthesizes thick protective covering over itself during unfavorable conditions. Thick-walled zygote formed during gametangial conjugation is called as zygospore. Zygospore represents structure of perennation and remain dormant throughout unfavorable conditions. Gametangial conjugation or copulation. On returning of favorable conditions, thick protective covering of zygospore is broken. Zygote germinates to form filamentous structure called as promycelium, and at the same time diploid nucleus of zygote forms 4 haploid nuclei through free nuclear meiosis. All 4 haploid nuclei get transferred inside promycelium. Promycelium laterally develops a solid structure called as germ sporangium. Gametangial conjugation or copulation. Haploid nuclei present in promycelium converted into haploid cells after cytokinesis and finally reach inside the germ sporangium, where they are called as germ spores. Out of 4 germ spores present inside germ sporangium, 2 germ spores act as positive germ spores and other 2 germ spores act as negative germ spores. Bursting of germ sporangium releases germ spores out, which germinate to form new thallus of fungi. Gametangial conjugation. Gametangial conjugation is characteristic feature of members of zygomycetes. Sometimes gametangia fail to fuse or conjugate and fall on the ground. Unfused gametangia form thick wall and get converted into azygospores. Azygospores are parthenogenetically produced zygospores which are haploid in nature. Spermatization. Spermatization is performed by members of mainly Ascomycetes and also by Basidiomycetes. In this method of sexual reproduction, male reproductive organ is represented by vertical hyphae called as spermatiophores. Spermatiophores produce spore-like single-celled structures called spermatia that represent non-motile male gametes. Female reproductive organ is called as escogonium, which has special long tubular receptive hypha called as trichogyne. Spermatization. Spermatia are transferred through agencies like wind, water, and insects over receptive hypha, that is trichogyne of female reproductive organ. Note: spermatia are continuously cut off from the tip of spermatiophore. Common wall between spermatium and trichogyne get dissolved and content of spermatium migrate inside trichogyne, which finally get absorbed by egg cell of female reproductive organ, results in formation of dikaryotic stage. Somatogamy. Somatogamy occurs in higher fungi like members of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Somatogamy is performed by those fungi in which reproductive organs and formation of gametes are absent. In somatogamy, there is direct fusion of somatic or vegetative hyphae of opposite strains. Thus, somatogamy is also called as pseudogamy. Another name for somatogamy is dikaryoticization, that is establishment of dikaryophase. Process of somatogamy. During somatogamy, two different multicellular uninucleate monokaryotic primary hyphae of opposite strains which belong to different fungus thallus, that is heterothallic, get fused lengthwise. One hypha is termed as positive mating type and second hypha is termed as negative mating type. Fusion of positive and negative somatic hyphae is followed by dissolution of common wall, which results in plasmogamy, but nuclei of both hyphae remain unfused. Process of somatogamy. Plasmogamy results in formation of N plus N hypha, that is binucleate hypha, that is dikaryotic hypha, that is secondary hypha. In secondary hypha, each cell has two haploid unfused nuclei. Formation of dikaryotic hypha represents dikaryote phase and process is called as dikaryotization. Till now, the process of somatogamy is similar in Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Process of somatogamy. With reference to Ascomycetes, once after plasmogamy, dikaryotic secondary hypha is formed. Now next, each dikaryotic N plus N cell produces sac-like outgrowth called as ascus. Fused protoplasm together with unfused nuclei get transferred inside ascus, where Karyogamy results in formation of diploid nucleus. After karyogamy, each ascus will behave as ascus mother cell, in which free nuclear meiosis followed by simultaneous cytokinesis produce four haploid cells. Process of somatogamy. With reference to ascomycetes, haploid cells formed inside ascus are called as ascospores. Ascospores represent endogenously formed meiospores. Generally, inside ascus, only four ascospores are formed, but in certain cases, one meiosis followed by one mitosis produce 8 ascospores inside the ascus. Half the number of ascospores belong to positive mating type and other half belong to negative mating type. Process of somatogamy. With reference to ascomycetes, once ascospores are formed inside asci, plural of ascus, the sterile hyphae of the thallus form a tangled covering around asci, which results in formation of a structure called as fruiting body. In ascomycetes, fruiting body is called as ascocarp, which has sterile covering of hyphae, asci, and ascospores. In favorable conditions, ascospores are liberated out after breaking of asci and sterile covering and germinate to form new generation. Types of ascocarps in ascomycetes. In ascomycetes, fruiting bodies, that is ascocarps, are of different types based on their structure or shape. Number one, Pleistothidium, closed type of fruiting body. For example, Aspergillus penicillium. Number two, Perithecium, flask-shaped fruiting body. For example, Neurospora claviceps. Number three, Apothecium, cup-like fruiting body. For example, Peggia and Escobolus. Number four, Hysterothecium, spindle-shaped, elongated with slits. Number five, Escostroma, cushion-like chambered fruiting body. For example, Pleospora. Process of somatogamy. With reference to Basidiomycetes, after formation of N plus N hypha or dikaryotic hypha or secondary hypha, each dikaryotic N plus N cells of hypha form club-shaped outgrowth called as basidium. Karyogamy of unfused nuclei in basidium produces diploid nucleus. Diploid nucleus laterally performs free nuclear meiosis to produce 4 haploid nuclei. Now next, basidium develops 4 peg-shaped triangular structures called as sterigmata. Process of somatogamy. With reference to Basidiomycetes, above the tip of each sterigmata produced by basidium, haploid cells formed containing a nucleus. These haploid cells, which are born at the tip of sterigmata, are called as basidiospores. Basidiospores are exogenously formed meiospores. Out of 4 basidiospores, 2 are of positive mating type and another 2 are negative mating type. Process of somatogamy. With reference to Basidiomycetes, once basidiospores are born at the tip of sterigmata, The sterile hyphae of the thallus form protective covering, and finally, fruiting body of Basidiomycetes is developed. Fruiting body of Basidiomycetes is called as basidiocarp. In favorable conditions, covering of sterile hyphae is broken, water droplet oozes between stigmata and basidiospores, and due to pressure, basidiospores get liberated and are ready to produce new generation. Classification of fungi based on morphology of mycelium, types of asexual reproduction or mode of spore formation, and types of fruiting body. Fungi are classified into various classes. Number one, Phycomycetes. This class laterally divided into two different classes, that is Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Number two, Ascomycetes. Number three, Basidiomycetes. Number four, Deuteromycetes. All above classes are placed under two groups. Number one, Oomycota consists of false, lower, primitive fungi, includes class Phycomycetes, that is Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Number two, Eumycota consists of true, higher, advanced fungi, includes Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Features of class Oomycetes: habitat, aquatic fungi; cell wall made up of cellulose and glucans; type of hypha, unicellular, multinucleate, aseptate, cynocytic hypha; asexual reproduction by zoospores produced inside zoosporangium. Zoospores are flagellated endogenous spores and show heterocont flagella. Sexual reproduction, planogametic copulation mainly by oogamy, gametangial contact. Here female gamete is known as oosphere, which is food-laden non-motile structure. Features of class Oomycetes: site of karyogamy and meiosis; oospore, that is thin-walled zygote; fruiting body absent; flagellation, flagella are present in asexual spore, that is zoospore, and also in planogametes, that is male, female, or both gametes. Common name: Oomycetes, commonly called as algal fungi and egg fungi. Cellulosic cell wall and formation of zoospores are twin exclusive features of Oomycetes. For example, PAS, PAS, Pythium, Phytophthora, Peronospora; Albugocandida, that is Cystopus candidus, another name; Synchytrium, Saprolegnia, Sclerospora. Features of class Zygomycetes: habitat, terrestrial fungi, mostly saprophytic, rarely parasitic; cell wall made up of chitin or fungal cellulose; type of hypha, unicellular, multinucleate, aseptate, cynocytic hypha; asexual reproduction occurs through sporangiospores, chlamydospores, and oidea. These mycospores are non-motile. Sexual reproduction occurs through gametangial conjugation or copulation. Gametes are initially multinucleate, called as cynogametes. Sexual reproduction forms resting thick-walled zygote or spore, called as zygospore. Features of class Zygomycetes: site of karyogamy and meiosis, zygospore. Meiosis produces haploid meiospores called as germ spores. Fruiting body absent. Flagellation absent. Common name: conjugate or conjugation fungi. Due to gametangial conjugation process, Zygomycetes are commonly called as conjugate or conjugation fungi. Because of formation of thick-walled resting zygospore, the group of fungi are called as zygomycetes. Features of class Zygomycetes. In Zygomycetes, distinct food-laden large non-motile female gamete formation is absent. Formation of meiospores, that is germ spores, take place inside germ sporangium, previously called as zygosporangium. In zygomycetes, sometimes during gametangial conjugation, gametangia fail to fuse, get surrounded by a thick wall, resulting in formation of parthenogenetically produced zygospore called as azygospore, which is a haploid structure. Features of class Zygomycetes. Sexual reproduction in zygomycetes occurs through non-motile gametes and is of isogamete type. For example, rhizopus, that is bread mold or black bread mold. Mucor, that is dung mold or pin mold. Apsidia, pilobolus, etc. Rhizopus appears black colored due to black color tips of mycelium. Motile cells, that is zoospores and planogametes, are absent in zygomycetes. Features of class Ascomycetes. Habitat: terrestrial fungi, mostly parasites, can also be saprophytes, decomposers, coprophilous, that is growing on dung. Cell wall made up of chitin. Type of hypha: multicellular, uninucleate, septate hypha. Primary hypha, that is uninucleate monokaryotic hypha, is long living, and secondary hypha, that is binucleate dikaryotic hypha, is short living. Type of septum: septate hypha has simple central pore septa. Pores are called as septal pores, allow communication and transport between adjacent cells. Features of class Ascomycetes. Asexual reproduction. Majority of Ascomycetes produce conidia as asexual spores, borne on branched or unbranched conidiophores. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction or plasmogamy can occur through gametangial contact, for example pyronema, conjugation, for example yeast, spermatization, for example Ascobolus, somatogamy, for example Peziza, and autogamy, for example Morcella. During autogamy, plasmogamy and karyogamy occur between adjacent cells of same hypha. Features of class Ascomycetes. Female sex organ is called as escogonium during sexual reproduction with reference to somatogamy. Karyogamy is delayed after plasmogamy, thus forming a shorter phase called as dikaryophase. Cells are called as dikaryotic cells having two different nuclei, that is dikaryon. Sac-like structure called ascus contains endogenously formed meiospores called ascospores. Ascospores may be arranged orderly or linearly as in Neurospora or unorderly as in yeast. Features of class Ascomycetes. Site of karyogamy and meiosis. Ascus, sac-like structure. Fruiting body present called as ascocarp. Ascocarps are of different types like Pleistothidium, closed ball-shaped, Apothecium, open disc or cup-shaped, Perithecium, flask-shaped, Hysterothecium elongated, spindle-shaped, Ascostroma cushion-like, chambered. Flagellation. Flagella formation is absent in Ascomycetes. Motile structures do not occur in the life cycle. Features of class Ascomycetes. Common name sac fungi due to formation of sac-like ascus. Yeast is unicellular non-mycelial member of Ascomycetes in which septum, septal pore and fruiting body formation is absent. Fruiting body of morels and truffles is edible, that is edible fungi. Due to formation of ascospores, the group of fungi is called as Ascomycetes. Features of class Ascomycetes. Examples: NACAMTYPEG, NACAM type G. Neurospora, pink bread mold, Aspergillus, claviceps, Escobolus, morels, that is Morcella, truffles, that is tuber, yeast, that is saccharum, penicillium, Peziza, Erysife, Gibberella fusicuroi. Morels, common name is sponge mushroom. Neurospora, commonly called as Drosophila of plant kingdom, used in biochemical and experimental genetics. Features of class Ascomycetes. Truffles have edible tuber-like subterranean, that is underground, ascocarps. Penicillium notatum produces antibiotic called as penicillin. Penicillium roqueforti and Penicillium camemberti employed in ripening of cheese. Aspergillus is common green smoky mold called as weed of laboratory. Aspergillus flavus is highly poisonous due to aflatoxins. Aspergillus oryzae is source of diastase enzyme. Yeast is used in production of alcoholic beverages like beer, wine, cider, toddy, etc. in brewing industry. Features of class Ascomycetes. Gibberella fusicuroi causes Becken disease of rice. Gibberella fusicuroi represents perfect stage of Fusarium monoliforme, member of Deuteromycetes, and imperfect stage of Gibberella fusicuroi. Penicillium is facultative parasite and saprophytic fungi. It produces 8 ascospores in ascus. Conidium, that is asexual spore, is uninucleate, non-motile, two-layered structure, shows air dispersal. Yeast grows on ripened fruits like grapes, sugarcane, date palm, banana, mango, etc. Yeast forms pseudomycelium if grown in sugar solution. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes includes most advanced and most commonly seen fungi. Few largest fungi like mushrooms, toadstools, puffballs, bracket or shelf fungi belong to class Basidiomycetes. Habitat: terrestrial fungi grow in soil, on logs, on tree stumps and inside plants as parasites. They are best decomposers of wood, able to decompose both cellulose and lignin. Lignin cannot be decomposed by other fungi and even bacteria. Ganoderma causes decomposition of even standing trees. They can be saprophytes, parasites, and symbiotics. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Cell wall made up of chitin. Type of hypha: multicellular septate hypha. Primary hypha, that is monokaryotic hypha, is short living. Secondary hypha, that is dikaryotic hypha, is long living. Type of septum: dome shaped, dolypore septum. Pore is guarded by parenthosome. Dolypore septum show barrel shaped outgrowths. Dolypore septum is not found in rust fungi and smut fungi. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Secondary mycelium in Basidiomycetes are dominant phase of life cycle, which represent dikaryophase. Dikaryophase consists of profusely branched septate hyphae. Secondary mycelium can penetrate in soil or wood by means of sclerosia, that is resting compact mass of mycelium containing stored food, and rhizomorphs, that is dikaryotic N plus N false root like mycelium present inside soil. Primary mycelium may multiply by oidia, conidia like spores, and pycnospores. Secondary mycelium may multiply by chlamydospores, aciospore, teleuthospores, uridospores. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Clamp connection. It represents tubular relationship between two neighboring cells. Clamp connections are handle-like outgrowths found a side of septa. With the help of clamp connection, nucleus of one cell can migrate inside neighboring cell, due to which the other cell becomes dikaryotic, that is binucleate. Clamp connections help in changing of monokaryotic mycelium into dikaryotic mycelium at the time of cell division in Basidiomycetes. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Asexual reproduction. Asexual spores are generally not found. Vegetative reproduction through fragmentation is very common. Sexual reproduction occurs through spermatization and somatogamy mostly. Basidiomycetes have two different thallus, that is positive mating type and negative mating type. Sexual reproduction does not involve sex organs. We can say that sex organs are not found in Basidiomycetes. Fusion occurs between basidiospores and other monokaryotic spores, between spore or spermaceum and hypha, between two haploid cells of primary mycelium. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Site of karyogamy and meiosis. Basidium, club-shaped structure. Flagellation, flagella are absent. Motile structures or cells are absent in Basidiomycetes. Fruiting body, basidiocarp. Basidiocarps consist of four haploid meiospores called basidiospores, which are exogenously formed at the tips of stigmata. Fruiting body, that is basidiocarp formation, is absent in rust fungi and smut fungi. Common name, club fungi. Puff balls and bracket fungi, 50 centimeter diameter. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Examples: आज मैं उससे परेशान रहा, उसने मन तोड़ा मेरा पहली बार. A for agaricus, M for mushroom, U for ustilago, S for smut fungi, P for puccinia, R for rust fungi. उसने no meaning, मन amanita, तोड़ा toadstool, मेरा no meaning, पहली puff balls for example lycoperdon, bar bracket fungi for example polyporus ganoderma. Smut fungi produce thick-walled, black-colored resting spores called smut spores. Covered smuts, spore mass remains within membranous covering of sorus. Loose smudged spores are exposed while attached to the host. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are edible or non-edible agaricus having umbrella-like basidiocarp. Examples of edible mushrooms: Agaricus campestris, Agaricus bisporus, Volverilla volvacea, Pleurotus osquiatus. Volverilla volvacea, called as paddy straw mushroom. Toadstools, poisonous mushrooms having white spores. Amanita caesara, Caesar's mushroom, used to poison Roman Emperor Caesar. Amanita phalloides, death cup. Amanita muscaria, fly agaric. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Rusts, characterized by formation of rusty pustules having spores. Puccinia is heteroecious obligate parasites which completes life cycle on two hosts. Primary host is wheat and secondary or alternative host is barberry. Puccinia has macrocyclic life cycle with 5 types of spores: uridospores n plus n, telutospores n plus n on wheat plant, basidiospores n in soil, pycnospores n and aciospores n plus n on barberry leaf. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Hallucinogens. Psilocybe mexicana, that is sacred mushroom, has hallucinating properties similar to LSD, used by Mexican Indians during certain religious ceremonies. Largest fungi. Armillaria melia, that is honey mushroom, is a serious root parasite of both hardwoods and conifers. By forming rhizomes and establishing connection with phloem of host, it blocks the food supply. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Puffballs. The basidiocarp is a stalked, rounded structure which releases out puff of spores upon ripening. Basidiocarp may grow below or above the substratum. Bracket fungi, that is shelf fungi. The basidiocarp or fructification appears on tree trunks, logs, lumber, etc., just like breakers or shelves. Stinkhorn, Phallus impudicus, that is dead man's finger, produces spore mass with stinking odor to attract flies. Predator fungi, for example, Dactylaria, Arthrobotrys. Features of class Basidiomycetes. Spermatization in Basidiomycetes is most commonly seen in rust fungi. Life cycle of Puccinia is called as rust cycle, discovered by Professor A. C. Mehta. Primary infection, that is starting of rust disease, occurs through aciospores on wheat plant, and secondary infection occurs through uridospores. Most delicious mushroom, Agaricus bisporus. World's most poisonous mushroom, Amanita muscaria, hallucinogenic. Cythus and Nidularia, etc., are known as bird's nest fungi. Fruiting body resembles bird's nest. Features of class Deuteromycetes. This class is actually artificial class, contains those fungi in which yet sexual reproduction is not discovered. There is only asexual and vegetative phases are known. So these are commonly regarded as imperfect fungi. In future, if in any member sexual reproduction is being discovered, then based on similarities, that member either moves to Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. Features of class Deuteromycetes. Members of class Deuteromycetes are commonly called as imperfect fungi, fungi imperfecti, and dustbin fungi. Habitat: terrestrial fungi. A large number of them are decomposers of litter, that is organic matter, helping in mineral cycling. Some are saprophytes and parasites also. Cell wall: chitin, hypha, multicellular uninucleate septate hypha. Only primary hypha are present. Secondary hypha is not found. Features of class Deuteromycetes: septum, complete septum or simple central pore septum. Asexual reproduction through conidia. Sexual reproduction absent. Karyogamy and meiosis absent. Fruiting body absent. Flagellation absent. Common name: imperfect fungi, fungi imperfecti, dustbin fungi. Features of class Deuteromycetes. Examples: फ्यूरियस cat है एग्जाम्पल्स ड्यूट्रोमाइसिटीज का. ड्यूट्रोमाइसिटीज का एग्जाम्पल्स फ्यूरियस कैट है. फ्यूरियस फ्यूजेरियम. C for Polytotrichum cercospora. A for Alternaria. T for Trichoderma trichophyton. H for Helminthosporium. In Deuteromycetes, mycelium is branched. Common fungicides and their mixture. Number 1, Bordeaux mixture, CuSO4 plus CaOH का whole twice plus H2O. It is first fungicide discovered by PMA Miller-Dett. It is commonly known as holy water of plant pathology. Number 2, Burgundy mixture, that is soda Bordeaux mixture of CuSO4 plus Na2CO3 plus H2O, discovered by Maas. Number 3, chestnut mixture, mixture of ammonium carbonate plus copper sulfate. Common names of fungi. Fungus or group. Common names: Neurospora crassa, Drosophila of plant kingdom. Agaricus bisporus, button mushroom. Pleurotus osquiatus, oyster mushroom. Wolverilla wolvacea, paddy straw mushroom. Amanita caesarea, Caesar's mushroom. Morcella morels, sponge mushroom. Common names of fungi. Fungus group. Common names: Psilocybe mexicana, sacred mushroom. Armillaria melia, honey mushroom. Primella jelly fungi, trembling fungi. Clavaria coral fungi. Amanita toadstool. Cythus nudularia, bird's nest fungi. Common names of fungi. Fungus group. Common names: Lycoperdon, Clavatia, puffballs, Pezija, cup fungi, Mucormycido dung mold, Penicillium blue-green mold, Aspergillus flavus, Guinea pig of plant kingdom, Ganoderma polyporus, wood breaker shelf fungi. Common names of fungi. Fungus group. Common names: Phallus stinkhorn, Hydnum tooth fungi, hedgehog fungi. Saccharomyces yeast sugar fungi. Rhizopus bread mold, black bread mold. Dactylaria arthrobotrys, predator fungi. Common names of fungi. Fungus group. Common names: Ustilago smut fungi, Coccinia rust fungi, Aspergillus weed of laboratory, Neurospora crassa pink or red bread mold, Nucor mucido pin mold, Saccharomyces cerevisiae beer or bakers or brewing yeast, Saccharomyces ellipsoidens wine yeast. Diseases causative fungi, oomycetes, late blight of potato and occasionally tomato, Phytophthora infestans, Great Irish Famine 1845 to 47 was due to late blight of potato. White rust of crucifers, Albugo candida, also called Cystopus candidus. Damping of disease in seedlings of tomato, chili, castor, mustard, Pythium dibarianum. Diseases causative fungi, oomycetes, downy mildew of cereals like Penicetum typhoides, that is bajra, also called as green ear disease of bajra, Sclerospora graminicola. Downy mildew in plants like pea, mustard, spinach, onion, etc. Peronospora parasitica. Salmon disease of gills in fishes, Saprolegnia parasitica. Note: late blight of potato disease, also known as famine of Ireland. White rust of crucifers is also called as white spot disease. Diseases causative fungi, zygomycetes, soft rot or leek disease of strawberry, apple, jackfruit, sweet potato, etc. Rhizopus. Infection of internal organs in human beings, Mucor pusillus. Bronchomyocosis, Absidia corymbifera. Note: Ramycin antibiotic is obtained from Mucor ramanianus. Diseases causative fungi, Ascomycetes, ergot of rye, Claviceps purpurea, ergot of bajra, Claviceps microcephala. Eating of infected cereals causes ergotism. Claviceps produces an alkaloid drug called ergotin, causes abortion, promote expulsion of fetus. Powdery mildew disease in host plant, Erysiphe graminicola. Powdery coating of spores on the surface of host. Diseases causative fungi, Ascomycetes. Bacon disease of rice, Gibberella fusarium. Diseases causative fungi, Basidiomycetes. Covered smut of barley, Ustilago holdi. Smut of corn, Ustilago medis. Loose smut of wheat, Ustilago nuda triticum. Loose smut of oat, Ustilago abine. Diseases causative fungi, Basidiomycetes. Black rust or stem rust of wheat, Coccinia graminis triticum. Yellow rust of wheat, Coccinia glumerum, Coccinia striformis. Brown rust of wheat, Coccinia recondita. Note: loose smut of wheat disease spreads through infected flowers and seeds. Diseases causative fungi, Deuteromycetes. Leaf spot of rice, commonly called as brown leaf spot of rice, Helminthosporium oryzae. It caused Bengal famine in 1942-43. Early blight of potato, Alternaria solani. Leaf develops target board symptom that is small oval brown spots with concentric rings. Ticca disease of groundnut, Cercospora personata, circular necrotic dark brown leaf spots. Diseases causative fungi, Deuteromycetes, red rot of sugarcane, Colletotrichum falcatum, weeds of cotton, pigeon pea, Fusarium oxysporum, Fusarium udum, athlete's foot or ringworm of foot, Trichophyton interdigitate, Tinea pedis. Note: Trichophyton interdigitate and Microsporum produce ringworm in human, that is eczema and itching.